back to the Macro Gamer channel. My name is Mark Cassingham. Today we're going into the Sword portfolio weekly numbers for week number 6. This is as of Sunday, August 24th, 2025. So let's get into it. We have our Weapons of Finance, our Sword portfolio. This is our ancillary portfolio. It's a offensive strategy focused on long-term and high growth potential with aggressive volatility and risk. Focused sector investments, targeted stock opportunities, streamlined management. Just a high-level view of how the portfolio works. We have a current portfolio net worth of $174. We have a market gain of $14.80 with a total gain of positive 12.73%. This is over 6 weeks. We have our weekly data for week number 6. We have market gain. We have a total gain of $4.93 because we have no dividends earned, with a positive money weighted return of 3.14%. Our monthly data for week number 6, we have a total gain of $7.53 and a money weighted return of positive 5.55%. So that's the past 30 days. This is our all-time data for week number 6. This is since we started the portfolio. We have a market gain of $14.80, so that's our total gain. And we have a money weighted return of positive 12.73%. We have our percentages. So on the right, we have our target weighting. So our ARK ETF is set to 20%, and all other stocks in the portfolio are set to 8%. So 10 stocks, each at 8%, so 80% of the portfolio. These are our weekly numbers for our percentages, so you could review those. Then we have those same numbers, but over the month, so the past 30 days. So the big standout, of course, is Village Farms, over 100%. And we have our all-time percentages, so since portfolio's inception, this is how the performance has been. Week number 6. And we have our portfolio transactions. So on August 20th, we had a $30 deposit. We had 9 buys, so these are all the investments that we bought inside of our portfolio, how we distributed that $30. And that is our weekly numbers for week 6. We could look at our charts. We have our ARK ETF. So still at this low post tariff announcement, had a large surge and it's kind of gone sideways. SMR or nuclear stock, same thing. Post tariff announcement, it's gone up and then it's dropped down, so it's pulled back a lot. Consolidated Water, done okay since a little after the 90-day tariff pause. It's gone up. It's kind of held. It's had a good quarter. Village Farms still climbing. Post 90-day pause for tariffs. It's like up and to the right so far. Coinbase, since post-tariff, has gone up and then it's come down. So it's pulled back. It's given back its gains. Now, I gotta take this off. So we've had a bounce back in Stratasys. So the previous week it dropped down. Now it's coming back up. It's bouncing back. Rivian still coming down. It's had a bit of a gain in the chart right here. Palantir is dropping off more and more. It's been so good for so long. Now it's finally giving back some of its gains. CRISPR Therapeutics will just keep coming down. Down, and extend that arrow like that. So it's gone up and it's come down. AeroVironment too. It's been kind of drooping downwards. It's been selling off. And then Rocket Lab's also been kind of selling off. It's had a big run up and then it's just kind of been coming down. So it's kind of a quick run through of our charts. We have our info and some of our some fundamental analysis of our investments. This is just relative to price performance. So we don't care about that. Assets under management. They increased their AUM. Mixed sentiment, very toppy, just by restructuring signals. None of this stuff is really important. Fund activity. Kathy Wood's ARK Invest, which manages ARK, has been active in trading. Recent reports indicate Wood bought shares in Robinhood, CRISPR, and Beam Therapeutics on August 20th, 2025. And Deere, Exact Sciences, and Robinhood on August 15th. Reflecting it by the dip. ARK's portfolio continues to focus on disruptive innovation, blah, blah, blah. Market context. ARK has benefited from strong tech IPOs, notable success investments with Circle Group, which soared. Yep, know about that. ARK relies on mega cap stocks like Tesla. Plans to change primary listing venue. ETFs. Plans to change the primary listing venue for 3 of its ETFs. Interesting. Okay, moderate buy. Fund flows. Not really much going on. So let's look at SMR. See what's been happening. NuScale Power benefits from rising data, energy demand, and AI with a small modular actor, technology, reliable free power, blah, blah, blah. Gen. UBS raised price targets, NuScale. Scale clear, smart getting traction, increasing demand, zero carbon, blah, blah, blah. All these dates go further and further back. Nothing really new. CWCO. Just looking for like any kind of news that might have happened. Was trading. The stock showed neutral, strong. No specific price movement updates. Earnings. No new earnings reports. Extending schedule November 17th. Dividend. Analyst sentiment. Technical indicators. August, blah, blah, blah. No new project developments. No new specific articles. Not significant. Cool. Nothing new. Oh. BFF. Village Farms. August 19th. Percent of this day. Trading volume reaching approximately blah, blah, blah. Activity. Don't care. Don't care. 15th. 11th. Getting older. Okay. Yeah, it's just nothing new. Just want to quickly run through this stuff. Looks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, concerns, blah, blah, blah. Analyst downgrade, blah, blah, blah. Kathy Wood sold some stock, blah, blah, blah. World Liberty Financial USD1 stablecoin, its asset listings, blah, blah, blah. Partner expansion with Shopify. Coinbase expanded its partnership with Shopify to enable USDC payments through Shopify payments, aiming to enhance crypto-based commerce and drive adoption of Coinbase payments across more platforms. Okay. Stablecoin custody of bullish IPO. Coinbase was named the exclusive custodian for USDC, and EURC proceeds from bullish IPO, highlighting its role from supporting stablecoin transaction. Next trading expansion. Coinbase One Card. That's cool. They started shipping their cards. Stratasys, SSYS. So this is August 13th. Earnings, we already know about that. Congressional stock purchase. Congress be buying the stock. That's fun. Analyst rating of sentiment, market performance, partnership. Stratasys extended a multi-year partnership with Andretti Global, reinforcing its 3D printing for motorsports. The company was noted leadership in polymer-based 3D printing solutions. Yeah, I already know about that. RIVN. Nothing really happened this week with these stocks. It seems like it's a very slow week. A lot of them did have earnings the past week or two, so it's all right. August 24th, we're going to trade, blah, blah, blah. Stock price movement, low sentiment, analyst ratings, don't care. Rivian flagged a $100 million revenue loss due to the Trump administration rollback of U.S. fuel economy rules impacting regulatory credit sales, as reported August 15th. Know about that. The IRA, market and strategic development. Rivian is preparing for its Autonomy Day, highlighting its Rivian Autonomy platform with 11 cameras, 5 radars, and dual NVIDIA Drive Orin processors, positioning it as a competitor to autonomous driving, such as R2 and R3 platforms, a new factory, a $1 billion equity investment from Volkswagen Group, a joint venture, profitable, blah, 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 social media crap, other developments. Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe discussed Q2 challenges, tariffs, supply chain issues, and the company's focus on R2 platforms. Blah, blah. Okay. Not a lot going on this week. Cool. Easy week. Make it easy week. Stock price decline. Notable drop. Market cap and valuations. Investor sentiment. Blah, blah, blah. Technical analysis. Blah, blah, blah. Insider selling. CEO Alex Karp sold 63 million in stock, adding to investor concerns amid the stock's 111% surge year to date 2025. This was noted as a factor of fueling uncertainty. Well, the price went up hella, so I would sell too. Analyst outlook, broader market context, positive fundamentals, included $1 billion revenue, already covered that. A lot of the stuff already covered. Crisp. Oops. Crisp. Anything in crisp? Oh, you want to show the chart? That's cute. For a significant year-over-year revenue increase in Q2 25. Net losses waned. Strong balance sheet. Company strategic partnership. So nothing really there. AVAV. AeroVironment. PAV. Coverage of AeroVironment. Stock rating. Stock experience declined. After hours trading. AeroVironment announced delivery of its initial P550 Autonomous Group 2 eVTOL unmanned aircraft systems in the U.S. Army for the Long Range Reconnaissance LRR program, highlighting its role as a leader in intelligent multi-domain robotic systems. Calm down. The latest drone technology was highlighted as reshaping government operations. Key players in drone market. Canaccord Genuity reiterated a buy. General sentiment, blah, blah, blah. Kind of a slow week, honestly. Kind of a slow week. Rocket Lab announced an expansion of its U.S. semiconductor manufacturing for space-grade components, supporting a $23.9 million CHIPS Act award to strengthen the domestic supply chain for aerospace and defense. Had their 70th Electron mission launch. Rocket Lab successfully launched its 70th Electron mission named Live, Laugh, Launch from Launch Complex 1 in New Zealand, deploying payloads for a confidential commercial customer. This marked the 12th launch from LC-1 in 2025 with 100% mission success for the year. That's good. Shareholder voting. Trump executive order benefits. Potentially boosting its national security. Sentiment. Neutron rocket progress. Sachs Investment Research highlighted Rocket Lab's steady progress. Medium lift capability. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's kind of a slow week for stocks. Really, the big news was on Friday when the Jackson Hole meeting or the Fed meeting. They're going to start doing rate cuts, and the whole market went up. Everything went up because everyone's all euphoric that rates are going to come down possibly. Right, but not a lot happened with our stocks this week, so not a big deal. We're going to continue every week. So hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, criticisms, let me know. See you next video.